Hey everyone, this is Serge with your Microcontroller Minutes. This is part 14 of the KEYESTUDIO 37-in-1 sensor kit, the hallMagneticModule. I'll use a fritzing software to show you how to connect everything, so here's what you'll need. An Arduino microcontroller, preferably the UNO version or similar, a 400 tie point breadboard, a USB cable, the hallMagnetic and rgbLED modules, and 5 to 12 jumper wires. Place the hallMagnetic module on the breadboard towards the top, connect the pin labeled S to digital pin 8, connect the middle pin to 5 volts, then connect the pin labeled minus to ground. Place the rgbLED module towards the bottom, connect the pin labeled G to digital pin 7, then connect the pin labeled minus to ground. Now here is what it looks like in the real world. Grab the USB cable, connect it to the Arduino, and then connect to your computer. We'll use the Arduino IDE software for programming the Arduino UNO. So, open the IDE, go to Tools, then Boards, then Arduino AVR boards, then select the Arduino UNO. Then go to Tools again, go to Port, then select the serial port where your Arduino is connected. Upload the following 15 lines of code. We will use a magnet to trigger the sensor. Magnets have polarity. This means there is a positive and negative side. Move the magnet towards the sensor. If it does not trigger, then change the orientation of the magnet. The LED off indicates there is no magnetic field present. The LED on indicates a magnetic field is triggering the sensor. Try modifying the code. Change the hallMagneticState from 1 to 0 and see what happens. Once you get the hang of it, come back and join us for the next module.